countable nouns, and countable nouns. So today we have a question about what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះយើងរៀនអំពី countable noun ហើយនិង uncountable noun សំណួរសួរថាតើ countable noun គឺជាអ្វីហើយតើ uncountable noun គឺជាអ្វី So the answer of question 1 is countable nouns are nouns which we can count. They have a singular and a plural form. ចឹងសម្រាប់ countable noun គឺជាប្រភេទនាមដែលអាចរាប់បានហើយវាមានទម្រង់ឯកវចនៈហើយនិងទម្រង់ពហុវចនៈ For example one book two book សៀវភៅមួយក្បាលឯកវចនៈសៀវភៅពីរក្បាលពហុវចនៈ The answer of question 2 is uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. They have only one form. អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ uncountable noun គឺជាប្រភេទនាមដែលយើងអាចរាប់បានទេហើយវាមានតែមួយទម្រង់ទេឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជា hair សក់ sugar ស្ករឬមួយក៏ rice បាយនាមទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដែលជា uncountable noun ក៏រួមបញ្ចូលប្រភេទ food អាហារហើយនិង liquid វត្ថុរាវផងដែរឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជា cheese butter meat beef bread water coffee tea lemonade ឬមួយក៏ orange juice ទោះបី uncountable noun យើងអាចរាប់បានក៏ពិតមែនក៏ប៉ុន្តែក៏យើងអាចប្រើនាមមួយចំនួនដាក់នៅខាងមុខ uncountable nouns ដើម្បីបង្ហាញពី quantity បរិមាណបានផងដែរឧទាហរណ៍មានដូចជា a bottle of oil a glass of water a carton of milk a cup of coffee a bowl of rice a slice of toast a loaf of bread a pound of meat a pack of gum a box of chocolate a pot of tea a tub of ice cream a jar of honey a can of soup a bunch of bananas a container of yogurt a package of ground beef